So hello everyone, welcome to Tarot with Chiva. So ngayon po babasahan naman po natin lahat ng signs about sa kanilang love and relationship. So this is general reading lang po. Only takes what resonate with you and leave what doesn't. So ngayong araw po meron tayong total lunar eclipse na gaganapin. So during this powerful eclipse, no, ito yung mga nakatagong mga emosyon na mailalabas natin or it will come to light. And what it meant for you will stay. And what is not aligned, no, will gently parang surrender or fade away siya. So this is not ordinary energy. This is karmic, no? This is destiny. This is truth and revealing itself, no? So be mindful lang po, no, na eclipse energies unfolds over the next 3 to 6 months. Moon ay nagbibigay ng katotohanan ng release ng karmic energy. No? So, let's see. Okay, for Aries. For Aries, please. Oh, yun. So, you are very close to achieving your goal. No? You are very close to achieving your goal, sabi ni the Moon. So, let's see kung ano yung love life ni ano. No? This is about love, no? Love reading po ito. Hindi po ito career, hindi po ito finance. Okay, for Aries. For Aries, please, love for Aries. You have the Hierophant. Okay, you have the Hierophant, you have the Hermit, you have the Queen of Swords. Okay, so first tignan natin ito, no? Okay, so first you have the Hierophant. So during this, from today, from total lunar eclipse to 3 to 6 months, no? Magkakaroon ka ng clarity when it comes to love, no? Pero may tao na gustong makipag-connecta sa'yo intensely, no? Parang intense siya, intensity, no? Meron siyang intensity or passion na makipag-connecta sa'yo strongly, no? So, kailangan mo lang talaga ng patient, no? Patient is required, so don't rush, no? No need to rush, let it flow naturally, no? Kapag merong dumating sa'yo at kung meron ka naman in a relationship ka naman, is i-balance mo lang siya. Wag mong madaliin lahat ng situation na darating sa'yo. Just slow down, no? Slow down when it comes to love. Kung meron ka namang mga problema na dumaan sa iyong relationship, especially ngayon na meron tayong ngayon yung panahon para bumabalik na sa atin yung ating mga karmic energy, no? Or lalo ngayon na kinakailangan nating i-release kung ano yung dapat nating i-release, no? Hindi na nakakatulong sa atin yon, i-release na natin yon. And you have the Hermit. The Hermit is about self-reflection nga, no? And you are more about religions and tradition at the moment, no? And yes, you want some clarity or wisdom sa iyong love life. So you want honest, independent, and practical or fair relationship when it comes to your love life, no? Yes, emotional maturity and control, diplomacy, no? Meron ka dito. And hope and inspiration as well. So, during your 3 to 6 months, no, may maaring lumapit sa iyo talaga na tao. So, be mindful lang na may darating sa iyo, but kailangan mo lang talaga ng patient and don't rush, no? Wag i-rush. Wag i-rush 'yon kasi kailangan mo pa ng clarity. Nandito ka sa momento ng spiritual or tradition or social group moment ka, no? So, doon ka pa nagtatrabaho ka pa ng mga, or inaaral mo pa, no? Si Hierophant kasi is about teaching and learning, no? Or knowledge, no? Seeking for knowledge or education. So, nandito ka ngayon sa point na, ka talaga, mas inuuna mo yung iyong emotional clarity at gusto mo ng wisdom, no? Okay, so for that, let me give you just one lang po. Just one lang. Kasi hindi tayo pwede magtagal ng love reading because we have total lunar eclipse. Baka ma-overwhelm yung ating basa, no? So, okay. So, merong taong nag-hide ng feeling sa'yo or deep emotional. No? Meron nga, katulad kanina, meron tayong nakita dito na merong tao na sobra-sobra yung energy niya, sobra-sobra yung emotional niya, is super strong ng passion niya sa'yo, no? So, maging observant ka. And, yes, tama nga. Kay Hierophant, meron tayo dito, the spiritual growth. So, self-awareness lang, no? Wag i-rush, no? Self-awareness lang. So, that's your love reading, Aries, and let's move to the next sign. Alright, let's move to Leo. So Leo, this is Sun, Moon, Rising as well as Venus. Only takes for resonate with you and leave what doesn't. Okay, this is general love reading for our Leo. So first, bibigyan mo na kita ng iyong Moon message. Ooh, okay, you have a time to give rather than take. A time to give rather than take. This is the new moon in Virgo. No? Which is we're gonna have a total lunar eclipse today sa bahay ni Virgo, which is a Virgo red or blood moon, they call it. So this is your love reading, no, for Leo. Wow. Okay, so you have the Ten of Cups, the Six of Pentacles, and you have the World. Okay, completion, fulfillment, sense of belonging, no? You want, dahil dito kay Ten of Cups, you want loyalty and reassurance, no? And you have the Six of Pentacles, which is you want clarity, no? Clarity. And you also have clarity and giving. Giving, no? Bibigay siya, giving. And also you have a time to give rather than take. A time to give rather than take. No? So, also someone, kung merong taong man na hindi magbibigay sa'yo ng consistency, you may finally walk away, no? Hindi mo na kailangan yung mga taong walang consistency, no, Leo? Kasi parang nararamdaman mo na sa sarili mo na parang, ano mo yun, parang wala namang consistency para saan, para mag-stay pa or pag-stayin ko pa, no? Ayun yung nalabas sa iyong card. No? So, let me clarify the Ten of Cups for you. Isang clarify lang. Hindi ko po ako masyadong magdi-deep, no? Kasi mahirap mag-deep, lalo na ngayon. Ang energy natin is malakas, no? We are in the karmic energy. Baka lumabas po yung mga hindi magandang energy. At ayoko naman pong basahin yun sa harapan ninyo. Yes, tama po tayo, no? Because you have the Star. You also have the Ten of Cups and you have the Star. So, which is, no? Abandonment, no? Parang talagang wala ka nang pakialam kung ano yung hindi mga nakakatulong sa'yo. No, you have endured many challenges and seek yourself bear on any limitation belief that have previously held you back. So you are realizing your core essence, who you are, believe all the layers. No? Tama nga tayo, no? Wala ka nang munang na, alam mo yon yung ikaw ang magbibigay, no? So, magbibigay ng emotional security sa iyong partner or sa iyong loved one, no? So, you finally walk away sa part na hindi na nakakatulong sa'yo, which is maganda, no? This is about security, your own emotional stability, and your harmony and happiness, no? Alright, so I think that's for Leo muna, for love reading. And let's move to the next sign. Okay, so let's move to our Sagittarius. Sagittarius po, no? Sagittarius. So this is your moon message. It's a sun, moon, rising, as well as Venus placement. Only take for resonate with you and leave what doesn't. So this is general love reading for Sagittarius. So, okay, you have confidence is key to your love success. Okay? New moon in Leo. Alright, let's see. For our Sagittarius. For Sagittarius. Sagittarius, please. The Hermit. Oh, we have Tower. We have Two of Swords. Okay, when it comes to connection or long distance connection, no, Sagittarius, or emotional gap, yung emotional na ano na parang let's say parang malayo kayo, no? Malayo kayo sa isa't isa, no? Ito yung parang within this period of time, no, ng ating reading, no? Mukhang kinakailangan ng honest conversation. And ito yung makakapag change ng situation mo, no? Because you have the Hermit, no, which is self-reflection, no? And there's hope here na malamang yung tao na ito, no, na nagmamahal sa iyo or mahal mo, no, meron siyang hope na magkaroon kayo ng deep conversation, no. So sa'yo, sa part mo naman is meron kang Two of Swords and you have the Hermit, which is decision, no. Kailangan mong magdesisyon at kailangan mong i-balance, no. I-balance. And may mga difficult choices ka or denial, no. Pero these are giving you, actually they are giving you etong energy na to, no. They are giving you or putting you to the middle of parang stuck ka, no? And there's a hiding information din na maaring itong taong to, yung makapagbigay sa'yo ng clarity, no? Yes. Kasi may trauma tong si may trauma siya no? Ano ba tong trauma na to? No, it's about transformation and yung mga unhealed na hindi pa nahi-heal na bagay, no? So, kinakailangan mo sa Sagittarius talaga na etong mga darating na araw, linggo, or buwan, no? Kailangan mo makipag-reconnect and to have a conversation or deep conversation, no? Para maayos, no? Or ito yung makakapag-alis sa'yo doon sa alam mo yon, sa sobrang pag-iisip, no? So, yung weight, yung bigat ba para mawala. So, make a decision daw sa iyong Two of Swords. Okay. I think hindi ko na-clarify kasi nandun na lahat. Ibinigay na sa atin. And let's move to next sign. That's your love reading for total lunar eclipse. And I hope nagustuhan nyo at naka-resonate po sa inyo ang ating mga readings today. And maraming salamat po sa pag-comment ninyo at sa inyong pag-follow sa aking account. And please comment, I am being asked to stop trying so hard and just be it. Ibig sabihin po nun, i-release natin. Ulitin ko po, comment nyo po dyan sa baba na I am being asked to stop trying so hard and just be it. Thank you and see you in my next video.